Hey everyone! Welcome back to the Swytch Manufacturing Roadshow. In this episode, Ollie has found his shirt and we're in Shenzhen, China, where our custom quick connect brackets are manufactured.
The original Swytch kit prototypes had a 3D printed bracket. Now obviously for the 1,000 plus kits that we sold for Indiegogo, we have updated the design to be suitable for plastic injection moulding.
Injection moulding allows the bracket to be very durable, really high quality and manufactured at a very fast pace, just like this. Since the campaign ended, we made a bunch of design changes to improve the strength, durability and functionality of the quick connect bracket.
Improvements to the electrical system required us to increase from 7 to a total of 12 contacts. Firstly, we added 3 so we could have Hall sensors in the motor to improve the smoothness of your ride. We also added 1 extra contact so we could swap from passive to active brake sensors, which we found were more reliable. And finally, we added a final 12 contact for the throttle output for those of you that bought the throttle add-on. The result, 12 contacts that had to be fitted into the compact bracket.
Quality and long-term durability of the quick connect bracket was our utmost priority as we ramped up to high volume manufacturing. To ensure that no water would leak into the bracket, we embedded the electrical contacts directly into the plastic. This process, called insert molding, is a very complex and precise engineering process, and we're going to show you some clips of how it's done. They are going through our designs and making sure they are moldable and toolable, giving us some feedback on some of the critical components, and we're making sure that our design intent for the custom parts that we're making is communicated really clearly to the tool makers and mold masters. After the design is confirmed, the tool production begins. First, the steel tools are CNC machined into their rough shapes. Then hundreds of copper electrodes are machined for electrical discharge machining, each one corresponding to a different feature in the plastic design. EDM slowly gives the tool its final precision shape. Each tool's moving parts are then adjusted for a perfect fit. Once the tool is produced, mass production of the plastic parts can begin. The machine's settings are tweaked until each part is flawless, and this is repeated for every plastic part in the assembly. Finally, we test that each quick connect bracket functions perfectly.
So, as you can see, there's an awful lot of work that goes into what might seem like a very simple part.
However, the end result is a truly unique system that allows you to instantly remove the most valuable part of the e-bike kit without having to connect and disconnect fiddly little wires.
We can do away with them. As far as we know, this is still the only system on the market that works in this unique way. We really can't wait to get your first generation of Swytch conversion kits to you. We're almost there, but please just hold on a little longer. In the meantime, we're going to be releasing next week another deep dive video like this to give you an insight into some of the other components that go into the Swytch conversion kit.
Join us next time.
See you soon.